So quick clarification of directions. You are going to make a table for the spectral classes of stars, and you're going to create a mnemonic. The best mnemonic wins some prize. You'll find that out later. But use your notes from the content page and the vocab you learned. You're going to fill in a spectral class table, and you're going to draw, label, and color visual representations of each type of star, each spectral class of star. So on the resource table, there is the worksheet. It's also available here digitally, and it looks like this. Okay. And so let's talk about a mnemonic. There's a video here. First, it says use your notes to fill in the table. You should have this information here about the color and the surface temperature of these classes of stars. Next, number 2 asks you to create a mnemonic. If you don't know what a mnemonic is, you should click here and learn about what a mnemonic is. I'll give you a quick example if you have somewhat of an idea. Here are the classes of the stars, right? So how are you going to memorize O, B, A, F, G, K, M? Well, you can make a mnemonic like this. I'm going to use one, and you cannot use the one that I created, or you won't get any credit. So I would say, oh boy, another F's going to kill me. Hopefully you don't ever have to say this to yourself because you're studying and doing so well in my class that you never get an F. But if I can remember that, oh boy, another F's going to kill me, then I can easily, any other day, maybe even the day of the test, how do I remember the spectral classes? Oh boy, another F's going to kill me. Oh boy, another F's going to kill me. Those are the classifications right there. I want you to come up with your own mnemonic and write it here on the worksheet. Then I want you to do a little bit of research and find out if the class of the star and the temperature it burns has anything to do with its size. That will help you when you draw out an example of each stellar class. So on this worksheet and on the back, I want you to draw in color, meaning if we're going to go an O star, then you better draw me something that is blue, right? Because O, if you see from our content page and from your notes, the O is a very bright temperature, a high temperature, and is the color blue. Also, though, when you're drawing all of these different stars, you want to do something about the sizes, right? An O might not be the same size as an M. If you have any questions, just ask.